I was about to give up on my thinning hair. I remember the feeling so clearly. That sinking hot every time I'd clean my hairbrush and see more strands than the day before. I was hiding under hats, trying every expensive product on the shelf, and just feeling completely hopeless. It felt like I was losing a part of myself, and nobody seemed to have a real answer that didn't involve harsh chemicals or treatments I couldn't afford. But what if I told you the most powerful solutions weren't in a special bottle from a lab, but were already in your kitchen? This is the story of how I took control of my hair health, and in this video, I'm going to share the exact, all-natural recipes and the holistic plan I followed to get a fuller, healthier head of hair. This is the year you stop covering up and start regrowing. My breakthrough came when I stopped looking for a single magic pill and started digging into the root causes of hair loss. Now, I'm not a doctor, but through tons of research, I learned something crucial that changed my entire perspective. Often, the issue isn't just genetics we can't control. It's a combination of things happening right at the scalp level: chronic inflammation, poor blood circulation, and hair follicles that are literally being starved of essential nutrients. Think of your scalp like a garden. If the soil is inflamed, dry, and lacks nutrients, you can't expect to grow healthy, strong plants. It's the exact same with our hair. Hair loss can be triggered by stress, diet, and hormonal imbalances, like the hormone DHT, which is known to shrink hair follicles. Once I understood this, that I needed to create a healthy, nourished environment on my scalp, everything clicked. I realized I didn't need to fight my body, I needed to support it. The most powerful ingredients to reduce inflammation, boost circulation, and deliver those vital nutrients weren't in complex chemical compounds. They were in oils, herbs, and even foods I had right at home. So, let's get into the kitchen, and I'll show you the 2 simple, powerful recipes that started it all for me. This first recipe is a potent hair oil designed to awaken dormant follicles and support circulation. This is the foundation of the whole routine. First, our base oils. We're using equal parts castor oil and coconut oil. Castor oil is the star here. It's incredibly dense and rich in ricinoleic acid, vitamin E, and fatty acids. While there isn't strong clinical evidence that it directly causes hair growth, it's traditionally used in scalp massage to improve hair quality and shine, and its anti-inflammatory properties can help create a healthier scalp environment. Coconut oil is our supporting actor. It's full of healthy fatty acids that allow it to penetrate the hair shaft, which helps reduce protein loss and makes each strand stronger and more resilient. Now, for the powerhouse ingredient, rosemary essential oil. If you've heard any buzz in the natural hair community, it's probably about this oil. A landmark 2015 study compared rosemary oil directly to 2% minoxidil, an active ingredient in many commercial hair growth products. After 6 months, the study found that the group using rosemary oil saw a significant increase in hair count, comparable to the results of the minoxidil group. It's believed to work by improving circulation and potentially inhibiting the effects of DHT on follicles, and it also has fantastic anti-inflammatory properties. To make the oil, you'll take a dark glass dropper bottle. This helps protect the oils from light. Fill it halfway with castor oil, and the other half with gently melted coconut oil. For every 50 ml of your base oil mixture, you'll want to add about 15 to 20 drops of high-quality rosemary essential oil. Shake it gently. To apply it, use the dropper to place small drops directly onto your scalp, parting your hair as you go. Focus on the roots. Then, and this is the most important part, give yourself a 5 to 10 minute scalp massage. Use the pads of your fingers in firm, circular motions. This manually stimulates blood flow and helps the oil penetrate. You can leave this on for at least 30 minutes, or even overnight, before washing it out. While the oil supports the scalp, this next recipe feeds the hair strands themselves. giving them the protein and moisture they need to resist breakage. This is my go-to weekly mask for strength and shine. For this, we only need 2 simple ingredients: plain yogurt and raw honey. Yogurt is our protein and probiotic hero. It's packed with proteins that are the building blocks of hair. It also contains lactic acid, which acts as a gentle exfoliant for your scalp, clearing away dead skin cells and buildup that can clog follicles. While the science on applying probiotics topically is still emerging, some research suggests they can help maintain a healthy scalp microbiome, which is important for overall hair health. Raw honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into your hair and scalp for deep hydration. It's also loaded with antioxidants and has antimicrobial properties, which helps keep the scalp clean and balanced. In a bowl, mix about half a cup of plain, full-fat yogurt with 1 tablespoon of raw honey until it's smooth and creamy. If you have very dry hair, feel free to add a teaspoon of coconut oil for extra nourishment. Apply this mask to clean, damp hair. Start at the scalp and work your way down to the ends. Let it sit for 20-30 minutes. You can put on a shower cap to trap heat and help the ingredients penetrate more effectively. Then just rinse it out thoroughly with lukewarm water. Having these recipes is great, but the real magic happens when you integrate them into a consistent routine. You can't just do a mask once and expect a miracle. Here is the exact weekly schedule I follow, and the lifestyle changes that amplify the results. Twice a week, apply the scalp-stimulating growth oil. I typically do this the night before I wash my hair. That massage is a non-negotiable step. Once a week, use the protein-rich nourishing mask. I usually do this on a weekend when I have a little extra time. Beyond the recipes, a holistic approach is what sustains your results. Hair health is a direct reflection of your internal health. First, nutrition. You are what you eat, and so is your hair. Make sure your diet is rich in protein, iron, zinc, and vitamins A, C, and E. Foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, fish, and eggs are fantastic. Second, stress management. Chronic stress is a notorious trigger for hair loss. When you're stressed, your body produces more cortisol, which can push hair follicles into a resting phase. Incorporating practices like daily mindfulness or exercise can make a massive difference. Third, supplements. While a food-first approach is best, some supplements have shown promise. Saw palmetto, for example, is a natural supplement studied for its potential to block DHT. Some smaller studies and reviews have reported that it can help improve hair density and quality for some users. However, it's crucial to talk to a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, as they aren't a one-size-fits-all solution and results can vary. For significant hair loss, it is always best to consult a dermatologist to explore evidence-based treatments. This journey taught me that supporting my hair wasn't about finding one secret ingredient, but about creating a system of nourishment from the inside out and the outside in. It's about being consistent and patient with your body. If you felt that same hopelessness I did, I want you to know that you have the power to take back control. Nature has provided us with so many tools to support our health. So my question for you is, which of these recipes are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Your journey starts with that first step, and I'm here to support you along the way. Thank you for spending this time with me. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and turn on notifications. This is the year you get the fuller, healthier head of hair you deserve. You can do this. I'll see you in the next video.